Packaging is an important part of marketing. It is considered as fifth P of marketing. So why a need is to be packed? The main purpose is to give protection. Apart from that, a package helps the company to transport the product safely, and also it's a part of advertisement. A good package always attracts the consumers. So here a product is wrapped and stored safely. So packaging is the technology of enclosing or protecting the products for distribution, storage, sale and use. So we can see that the product is being wrapped and it is offered for the consumers. So here the consumers can identify the product from the package itself. So it's an activity of designing and producing the content. So packaging is considered as a silent salesman. Why? This is because by seeing the package, the consumer knows what type of product it is and which company produced that particular product. For example, the KFC. By seeing the package itself, we will come to know about that product is relating to the KFC. So why do we need packaging? The primary aim of package is to give protection. It also offers convenience. It acts as a promotion tool. It helps to identify the consumer from the competitor's product. It helps in branding and also it provides information to the consumers. So let us discuss it in detail. The first aim of packaging is to provide protection. It gives protection to the product and other related products which are provided along with the main product. So here it gives protection from adverse weather, temperature, breakage, leakage. It also helps the company or the consumer to transport, to store and display the product more efficiently. So another function of packaging is to provide convenience to the company and to consumers. For example, the Coca-Cola bottle. We can see that this drink is being offered to consumers in a safe package which is of plastic or glass material. So it helps the company to transport the product to the consumer safely and even the consumers can store the product safely. An attractive color and design always helps the consumers to identify the brand from competitors' product. Here the company will design and develop a colorful package for its product. So it helps to distinguish the product from the competitors' product. For example, the Lay's. There are many other potato chips brands available in the market, but by seeing the color of the packet, we will be able to identify it is belonging to the Lay's brand. The packaging also helps the consumers to identify the product from competitors' product. For example, when we go to a shopping mall, there are millions of products available. The packaging also helps in creating the brand image of the company. For example, the Nike. By seeing the logo or the brand name, we will come to know it belongs to the Nike brand. So here the company may facilitate the branding of products as the name of the brand or design can be printed in the package. Packaging also provides information to the consumers. It may convey the important information like the quality, the date of manufacture, the usage, etc. So it helps to improve the product's credibility. Thus, we can conclude that packaging not only helps the company but also it helps the consumers, wholesalers, retailers, warehouses, etc. A good package will help the company to market its product more efficiently.